everybody, and welcome back to another episode of the podcast Non Judgmental, sponsored by Being Seen.
Hello everyone, I'm Daksha, your new host for the new episode of Non-Judgmental sponsored by Being Seen. So today, let us discuss about the food trends and I have the right person to ask the right questions today. As you can see, we have such a big foodie here right next to us. So I have plenty of questions to ask.
Sorry to cut you off, but I need a little sugar in this right now. Okay, guys, for the audio listeners and obviously for the video viewers also, we are at Tea Toast and Company in Belgaum trying out this for the very first time. So we had a little just to have a basic idea of what this place is and how is it. Right, we are here today, and this is the small change we have done. Or the major change is she's the host and I'm the guest. Yes, sorry to cut off.
So, food is an emotion, and how will you describe food in one word or maybe a sentence?
For me as well, food, I believe for me is just everything. I'm that kind of person who wakes up thinking what's there for breakfast, who survives till lunch, imagining what the lunch gonna be, and the same thing continues. So yeah, I love food a lot. Maybe how you love a person, maybe a person can lead you, but not the food. Thank you.
So basically, आप ऐसे इंसान हो जैसे खुशी है तो भी खाना है, गम है तो भी खाना important. Okay, so what is your comfort food?
My comfort go-to food always is chera fulka and poha.
Okay,
Like
poha in bingo, and what is chera?
chera fulka, we call it in Sindhi as mirchi ki chapati.
Okay, so basically it is mirch paratha.
Yeah, mirch paratha.
Okay.
And what do you guys call it in your own mother tongue? Let us
Let
know
us
in your
know in comment section. Yes. And which is your favorite cuisine?
Which is my favorite cuisine? Italian. नहीं यार, मेरे को तो सभी पसंद है. But I'm a pure vegetarian guy, so हाँ, उसमें जो हो भी कुछ available है, मेरे को सब पसंद है. There's nothing restricted to. नहीं, मेरे को Indian ही पसंद है. What is yours, by the way?
Mine, Indian is there, but plus Italian.
Italian तो सबका ही है. I'm sure after my fault, everybody's favorite cuisine is Italian.
Guys, please do watch.
My fault if you haven't on Amazon Prime.
Sure. Then, now we are going to go to the question which are most googled one. What are the latest food trends that have been taking the culinary world by storm?
Mexican, Lebanese and Italian. Italian तो हमेशा से रहा है, but इतना craze नहीं रहा है. I mean, since there are a lot of food bloggers and everybody's coming.
The cafes आप जाओगे तो Italian is everywhere.
Italian is everywhere. Pizza, burger, I feel is a little less. I guess I'm not sure from where does the burger eat from. I guess it's from America. मतलब मैं guess कर रहा हूँ. I'm not sure. But हाँ, जहाँ जाओ pizza तो guys मेरे town में भी pizza available है. Yeah.
Okay, let's go to the next one. How has the foodie culture evolved in recent years, and what role does social media play in shaping the food trends?
Oh my god. Okay, मेरे को लगता है ना कि इससे पहले foodie लोग थे before this social media, at least post pandemic.
Yeah.
Post 2020 foodies were there, but वो शायद limited numbers में थे या they were not that outspoken.
And वो अपने तक थे.
हाँ, मतलब ऐसे अपने तक मतलब दुनिया को
नहीं पता था.
But जब से 2020 post lockdown, everybody's you can see there's so many food bloggers around.
Right.
So when you see them trying out different things everywhere, so I feel that has taken a storm. And मेरे को लगता है ना, I have a couple of friends जिनको they literally hated pizza, burgers, or anything that is other than Indian.
Yeah.
So I feel they have turned up a lot towards all of them, and I am there, we all end up trying something or the. Oh, by the way, this reminds me of a French cafe I had been in Gokarna. Abhi, taste. You can find the images on my Instagram handle, guys.
Great promotion.
Oh, thank you.
1 second.
But वहाँ पे कैसा था? The dessert is the only one thing that all three of us enjoyed. Other than that, मैंने कुछ salad order किया था और एक कुछ तो था उसमें ना उन्होंने बैंगन डाला था eggplant.
Oh, don't say bangan.
To be more sophisticated.
Yes.
So I didn't like that at all. So I keep up trying new places. So since then, I feel a lot of people are trying different cuisines, and that has given a boost to all the restaurants to come up with, great menu.
Right, exactly.
पर
Then,
वो भी
Yeah.
पर वो भी होता है हर टॉम डिक एंड हैरी के पास पिज्जा मिलता है ना, वो नहीं
नहीं.
मिलता है. सो प्लीज चेक योर रेफरेंसेस
yeah,
बिफोर यू.
choose wisely.
ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए तुम गए कुछ अच्छे मूड में और उधर का भाजी पाला हो के आ जाए.
Right.
Yes.
Now the next one. With the rise of food delivery apps and ghost kitchen, also known as cloud kitchens, how has the restaurant industry adapted to changing consumer behavior in this digital age?
हमको नहीं पता था हम इतने इंटेलेक्चुअल क्वेश्चन पे आएंगे. For the audio listeners, we have peri peri fries. I'm having my all-time favorite iced latte, regular. She's having iced latte vanilla. Yeah, I feel majority of the restaurants and the best move that was taken by IRCTC, the railways. So usually I'm a frequent train traveler. So I know how difficult was it to get food. And the worst part, these online delivery apps like Swiggy and Zomato they don't have train delivery. Yeah, from station to include karo na. At least let that person come and deliver it on the platform.
हाँ.
10-20 रुपए ज़्यादा ले लोगे, उससे ज़्यादा होगा ही क्या? They don't have that yet. So usually I find it very difficult because train might halt for like 10-15 minutes.
हाँ.
तब तक वो बंदा आया है नहीं आया है, and I should make sure that I have to deliver it 40 minutes or 45 minutes prior. Or there have been situations where the person is already waiting for me
And the train gets late.
and the train is delayed. So IRCTC has come up with a great thing. They have a cloud kitchen. They have sweet fruit as a dessert. These are and Oven Story pizza
Yeah.
and Beirut's biryani. They have all these cloud kitchen set up. It's 2-tier cities.
Yeah.
So this is made convenient, for travelers also to have good quality food. And I'm sure IRCTC, unka jo khud ka kitchen hai, they're also improving their game to compete with them.
Yes.
Other than that, so I was saying that, most of the times jo bahar ke restaurants hai in the cities, first of all, I feel they have taken up a game ahead in packaging. Even if it is just an upahar, matlab in Kannada, the darshini, the standing thing, where you don't have a place to sit.
Okay.
So you just stand and have your breakfast and go. So those people also have, their sales have gone up, but they've made sure that the packaging is good. So that the food lasts warmer till it's, delivered
To the person. Okay, let's come to the next question. Farm to table dining has become a buzzword in the food industry. What does this trend mean for consumers, and how can they support local and sustainable agriculture? You can basically call it as a organic farming.
Organic farming, yeah. Okay, for this I have an example. Recently I tried this restaurant in Belgaum called Pink Varaka. You guys must check it out.
Must visit.
Yeah, recommend it. They have different, that menu is very unique.
Yeah, it's not the same what
Same, yeah. So they have a unique menu. Along with that, I feel you know, they have organic, because these restaurants, whether you go to some 5-star restaurants, I would call like Bastion in Mumbai, Parsh in Pune, you know, these restaurants I feel have tried to inculcate organic farming in their home, because usually pehle kaise tha, restaurants like, that's why we all were, you know, our parents always told not to have from outside, because they, everything is set ready.
Yes.
Like they don't have to prepare it fresh, but they just garam karke
Yeah.
they kind of like ready to eat kind of things.
Right.
So that is one thing I feel these big restaurants, because they have understood that you know, the main thing that matters to the customer is how fresh is the food and the taste of it. So I feel they have started doing that as well. But इससे मेरे को याद आया, what do you think about ready to eat foods that you get? No? Have you tried?
Actually it is convenient, and हम जैसे लोगों को तो वो बहुत ही convenient है, but you know that it was not good for health.
Yeah. कभी
मैं-
कभार
कभी कभार
हाँ,
ओके, बट आई थिंक सो वो बहुत ही इजी है हमारी जनरेशन के लोगों के लिए, वो कन्वीनियंट एंड इजी ऑप्शन भी हो गया सबके लिए पिक करने के लिए.
but I am definitely lazy. You know me very well. There's no doubt about it. But मेरे को एक चीज ना इसके बारे में मतलब, instead of getting that ready to eat food and just warm it and have, I feel the best thing that I've ever done is cook for myself. And then when there are friends coming, or I sometimes cook for my parents and also I enjoy that. So मेरे को लगता है I don't need a
I don't know he's talking about which friends, because हमने अभी तक कुछ इनके हाथ से बनाया और खाया नहीं है. So God knows he prepares for himself. I believe that.
thank you. Thank you for believing me.
Yeah.
What I said.
Fusion cuisine. Oh, I pronounce it wrong, I think.
Yeah, that's okay. We are all imperfectly perfect.
Fusion cuisine has been gaining popularity, blending diverse culinary traditions. What are some innovative and unexpected food pairings that have emerged recently?
Ew, I hate it.
And I think so you have tried many of such things.
Yeah, I have tried all. Guys, fine. The right example. I had ordered for a French toast.
Okay, to the
Okay? You can see they've given me chocolate sauce with some sprinklers on it. I don't know who does that. Maybe this is.
I think
maybe
so. This is the dish which a kid is gonna enjoy.
Yeah. This might be a unique thing. Maybe I need to try it out yet. But honestly, French toast I've never tried. Maybe it's not up to my liking, but nor is the coffee to my liking. But I like the fries because I've ordered only so much as of now. So yeah, the worst to worst unique dish, or maybe good one, I don't know. I had this leftover Maggie at home.
And leftover मतलब cooked.
हाँ मतलब बनाई हुई थी.
Okay.
और नहीं सॉरी मैंने ये रेसिपी देखी थी हर्बर्स किचन और समवेयर.
Hebaz.
हाँ कुछ भी
Oh, that's a good one. Huh?
अच्छा है. बट मैंने वहाँ पे, या पता नहीं कोई तो इस पे तब ये रील्स नहीं थे, तब मैंने देखा था ये. So it was like bread, you apply butter and all, you put the Maggie in it, you put Lay's chips, and then you grill it.
I don't know what made you even try that.
वो अगर गरम रहेगा तो ठीक, not like I would, out of 10 I would rate it 5. That Lay's is only to give you that crisp,
Crunch and that.
but वो भी नरम हो जाता है after that.
Oh, yeah, it will become soggy.
Yeah. What is your worst or the unique thing that you have had? Let us know in comments, and I'm asking you the question.
Okay. I don't want to take the cafe's name, but as now it is shut down also.
So it's okay, you can take the name.
It's okay, I don't want to.
Is it your friend's dad?
No, but yeah. Okay, I had in the dessert section we had pani puri. Dessert में था एक तो ऊपर से पानी पूरी shorts लिखा था. I said, what is shorts in that too in dessert section they have written this. Like, let's order it. I was with my cousins. It was a great experience, although.
Okay.
So
I know your experience.
So उन्होंने अपना पानी पूरी लिया and it was filled with ice cream, flavored ice creams, all different. Chocolate sauce and the sprinkle, what you have, the same sprinkle I had. And we were also like excited to try this. Just we move it ala. That was a blast of ice cream in your mouth. The pani puri, it was worst, I think. So I have tried fusion thing.
Ew.
Yeah,
No, matlab,
I think so. Your experience is still better than me. I can was the worst, but I did not try it, guys.
your cousin. No, don't lie. It's okay. We'll accept you. if you have
No,
tried.
no.
ये देखा है क्या तुमने रील्स पे ट्रेंड मतलब जो मीम्स आता है ना कि ये कौन है जो वो that roller thing ice cream yeah flavors and sorry to all the ramen fans I didn't like it either. मेरे को नहीं समझ में आया वो सूपी नूडल्स तो ठीक है हमें पसंद है
नॉर का तो बेस्ट.
नहीं ये जो रामेन
हाँ, I got that.
वो नहीं पसंद आया मेरे को. The noodles is fine.
Yeah,
हमको आदत है कि वो पानी भी मसालेदार
that
हो.
हाँ वो क्या हो जाता है, noodles will be the plain drink again that soup. The flavors are in the bowl.
Bowl itself, yeah, they don't know how to marinate. You know, other you guys need to learn it from Indians.
Yeah, how to marinate.
Oh, इससे मेरे को याद आया पता है last year when I was on a trip to UK, there was this Indian, big shout out to that Indian restaurant Dishum. They have it in all the major places in UK. I
had continuous snaps from there.
yeah, they have amazing cocktail. अब मेरे को नाम बिल्कुल याद नहीं आ रहा. Another 15 days, it will be exactly 1 year back I have been to UK. So it was literally amazing and it was right in the next lane where I was staying. So it was so convenient for us to go.
Okay.
हालांकि महंगा बहुत था.
And Indian food मिलना भी बहुत महंगा होगा.
हाँ सब महंगा था. But Indian से ज़्यादा वहाँ पे मेरे को सब गोरे लोग ही दिख रहे थे on that restaurant. और भाई साहब जो एक डिटेल यहाँ पे ना हमको ये सब फैंसी इनका कटलरी है representing Western, maybe not Indian. वहाँ पे ना देखो थाली मतलब वो जो अपन
घर की थाली, right?
थाली वो जो डगम ऐसे वाली कटोरी,
okay, हाँ.
सब लिटरली जो घर का था वही था. उसमें कुछ उन्होंने उसमें एफर्ट्स नहीं डाले बट भाई साहब जो टेस्ट था माँ कसम वो इंडिया में भी नहीं खाया होगा. There won awards also. If you are in future planning to go to UK or if you are there, you can definitely go.
Contact him because you don't know the name yet.
किसका cocktail का नहीं पता.
Restaurant का तो पता है ना. Okay, now next question we have regarding health conscious, but
which I'm not.
do I even need to consider this question for you? Okay, still some steps in life, some point we think to take.
अभी I can't even say sugar मैं कम खाने की कोशिश करता हूँ.
It's gonna go back. Yeah.
जिसे बहुत ही
Still any things you have tried to be a little bit health conscious at some point of time?
Yes. When I decided to lose weight, I was so particular about my protein intake and how much तब मेरा appetite भी बहुत सही था and it was in control. But ऐसे नहीं कि अभी overeating करता हूँ, but वो एक बार आदत छूट गई, so I need to get back on that track.
Right.
To have everything. मतलब अगर मैं कुछ unchant भी खा रहा हूँ तो I have to make sure that it's in a limited portion. Usually होता क्या है, the worst habit I feel I have is when I'm eating something I need to watch. So initially it was guys Tarak Mehta, but since Sarabhai was a Sarabhai, I have discovered I am in love. ऐसे नहीं पहले देखा था but now I have rediscovered it again. So I am madly in love with Maya and Monisha, Indravadan. So
as I said, this question is not related and कोई knowledge नहीं मिला है हमको.
नहीं. Okay, fine. Sorry. Coming back to the question.
Yeah.
नहीं मैं ये क्यों बोल रहा
We
था?
just get carried up.
No. I was saying no. There's something related to this. So what happens is when you're usually watching, you don't have that sense or you're not that conscious of how much are you eating and what are you eating.
Okay, right.
You're just carried away in the flow to eat. तो मैंने realize किया था कि when I'm eating my breakfast or lunch, So if it is a 20 minutes episode, I have to eat for 20 minutes until.
Okay, then. Yeah.
So उस time पे.
And the pace of eating also changes with that.
Yeah.
If the quantity is not increased, the pace is.
Pace is there.
हाँ.
So मेरे case में ना वो ज़्यादा जाता था.
Yeah.
Like even if I am not hungry, I will sit and finish. बगल में कुछ मिला चर के लिए, I will take that and I will start eating till that entire episode.
So it ends up. Yeah.
So that is the worst habit, and I am trying to improve myself, but worry.
And that's a great tip we should have.
What is your take on health? What have you taken? तू तो है पतली देखो, but still.
Recently, not recently, like I've been trying. It's a year. I have tried to cut off on the carbonated water, the soda kind of. I have tried, and mostly I've avoided it also most of the time. So that's one thing I'm trying to change. And there's also one more thing with sugar intake. I just watch ingredients के नीचे इसमें कितना sugar है and the calories what I'm gonna. I watch and just एक छोटा सा point में okay इसमें थोड़ा ज़्यादा है, ये chocolate थोड़ा कम है. Like I know it's minor change है,
But still
एक थोड़ा back of the mind है वो consciousness की when I'm taking इतना तो देख लो. So now मैंने ना chocolates को replace करने की जगह protein bars लेना चालू कर दिया, but I have read about it. It is also the same. Still अभी.
You can make one at home, protein bar.
Oh, I'm not good at it.
Easy.
Kitchen is not my thing.
I'll get you a few then. I'll prepare at home.
So the tables have turned today, right?
Yeah. Certainly.
Yeah. And now, okay, next question.
1 minute. मैं इतना खा रहा हूँ, don't judge me guys, because I haven't had my lunch and it's 6 p.m.
Done with your listing.
Yeah, my same.
Okay, next. Food tourism has become popular way for people to explore different cultures through cuisine. What are some of the top destinations for foodies and how can travelers experience local flavors authentically? I think so थोड़ा बहुत discuss कर दिया आपके UK experience के ऊपर. I want to know about the local cuisine. We can talk about Belgium or in the Karnataka.
Yes. मेरे को ऐसा लगता है ना, there are a lot of food bloggers. You can look at the content.
With this one more question, who is your favorite food blogger?
I'm very happy. Thanks for asking. The same question applies to you, vice versa. I'll answer first.
I don't have anyone specific.
Okay. So, if you are looking out to variety of, if you're traveling somewhere and if you want to look for good options, one thing is you can check Curly Tales because they have amazing recommendations.
Oh, I have seen some of her.
Yeah, amazing recommendations. And along with that, you can look at your favorite food bloggers as well. And if they have a website also, I guess TripAdvisor has restaurants on their website. So does Curly Tales. You can check out for that options. Google ratings, I don't believe them because I feel
सबके first preference
अलग होते हैं. So at least these 3 things are majorly what I look into. Even before I was traveling to UK and in future I'm traveling somewhere. So even now I have noted down the list of cafes I'm supposed to go, what am I supposed to do. So yeah, these things are what I look into. And वहाँ का local cuisine भी जानना, मतलब इतना तो अभी हमें पता
ही हो गया किस एरिया में क्या फेमस है. Yeah.
And my favorite food blogger is Shivesh Bhatia.
Okay.
And he is my favorite. मतलब Shivesh is also my favorite, but उनकी जो best friend है, that Boho girl, aka Kritika Farana, is my favorite. So yeah, Shivesh.
Okay. Oh, is that
No.
Connecting you there?
You know.
No, he is good at it.
Genuinely good.
Yeah, he's good at his work. One need.
But now it's your turn.
No, I said you specifically. I don't have any.
Fine, you don't have food bloggers, but what do you consider?
Okay, fancy restaurant versus we can talk about that.
Oh yes, come. I am very much interested.
You're on fancy side. I am on the local side. I'm on side. It's street food. What I can say.
Done. We are very hygienic as compared to the.
Oh, there is no competition when it comes to taste.
One thing I will speak for you when hygiene is concerned. Fancy restaurants definitely दिखने में fancy है, hygiene लगता है. But even now, if you see, except for that golgappe wale bhaiya, any random, no, even those people have started using.
Yeah,
gloves.
they are being and hygiene. Yeah, consider हो रहा है वो भी. ऐसा नहीं है कि we don't.
और हाँ, वो consider हो रहा है. उसके अलावा, I feel taste-wise, I have to come to you.
The ball is in my court.
Yeah, the ball is in your.
Yeah.
I definitely agree because.
The game ends there. I mean, you don't need to explain yourself. Where there is
There are okay for that. Fine, let's end it this way. For the local cuisine, local delicacies, street foods are the best. No top-notch restaurant can beat them.
Yeah, right.
But अगर तुमको Oriental, Italian और ये वो लहसुन खाना है,
And I think so ये statement भी बहुत सही proof करता है. जहाँ पे ज्यादा पैसे दिया वहाँ पे पेट नहीं भरेगा, जहाँ पे कम दिया वहीं पे पेट भरेगा.
यहाँ पे
You're gone.
क्योंकि स्ट्रीट फूड में ना हमको मतलब they have what authenticity I feel. International, not international, these huge restaurants and all. वो एक standard maintain करने के लिए ना they, I guess that taste is faded a little. A taste is compromised a little. इससे मेरे को याद आया जो बहुत ज़्यादा fancy restaurants like in Tier 1 cities like Mumbai, Bangalore, they have a pull apart dessert.
Yeah.
Sauce flows. So recently I ordered
Okay.
in Tier 2 cities. I ordered it. मेरे को एकदम से I was like क्योंकि Tier 1 अभी recently 2-3 महीने में जाना हुआ नहीं है तो I was very excited कि यहाँ पे भी मिल रहा है. I ordered. Literally तेरी जितनी कॉफी बची है ना उससे भी कम चॉकलेट सॉस.
Okay.
पुल अपार्ट इतना बड़ा है.
हाँ.
ठीक है. ब्राउनी पुल अपार्ट. ब्राउनी है ऊपर आइसक्रीम.
Ice-cream and the chocolate sauce.
हाँ.
Yeah.
दावा चॉकलेट सॉस. वो खुद ही पुल करके चली गई.
You did not get the experience.
I didn't get it to pull.
Then you could ask her, मैम आप अंदर से करके आ जाते.
अरे वो खुद ही पुल करके चली गई एंड उसके बाद ना लिटरली वो चॉकलेट सॉस कितना फ्लो हुआ पता है. ये जितना यहाँ पे फ्लो हो रहा है ना उतना बस इससे ज्यादा नहीं हुआ.
So basically, if you want to have that high dining experience,
So high-end restaurants.
go and I think so nowadays it is only meant to be for the picture purpose.
Yeah, I feel that. There are certain restaurants that are maintaining their quality along with the ambience, but there are a lot of big restaurants I feel who have good ambience, but the taste they don't even come into the club of 0.1%.
And then as today we are having a foodlicious episode, I think so biryani has to come.
Oh my goodness, this is a long debate.
I don't want to take much time. Let's cut it short. Veg biryani होता है या पुलाव होता है?
I feel there's a difference.
I think so. वो बिरयानी बुलाने का experience चाहिए.
हाँ.
What?
And घर पे भी पुलाव बनाते हैं. It's just a flavored rice. I feel they don't have a lot of vegetables, onion or max to max they have tomatoes and onions.
Okay.
उसके अलावा तो there's nothing else.
हाँ.
But when you have biryani, you have a little capsicum or baby corn,
Veggies.
paneer.
And you have that layers.
हाँ.
हाँ. तो पुलाव is like a mix thing.
हाँ, कुकर में.
So we can, I think so we can call it as veg biryani.
Yeah.
Please.
Please. And if you guys hate us for this, no, but I have seen a lot of debate.
This is never ending topic. What?
Yeah, but I feel pulav is just a basic food rice with bare minimum हर चीज में onion रहता है. वो onion के अलावा और कुछ है. Tomato expensive है. Right now we can't afford it. But other than that, I feel veg biryani needs to be veg biryani because उसमें अलग अलग मसाले और flavorful बहुत है वो comparatively.
Then the pulao. What?
Then the pulao. So I guess you have made it very clear why we don't call it as pulao.
Pulao.
मेरे को तो मजा आया ये episode.
I truly enjoyed it thoroughly, being the host of this episode.
Yes.
And I think so. There will be more upcoming,
Episodes
So-
where you'll be the host, I'll be the
Yeah.
guest, and vice versa.
and we can get the questions to roast our beloved host.
Oh my god. Is there anything you want to end this podcast with? Is there anything?
um, so I think so. I am. What was there on my
What
mind?
is your comfort food except for poha?
Poha is the thing that I can have anytime. It's late night, it's early morning. Other than poha, I can have sabudana khichdi.
Oh shit, how can I forget about that?
Just love sabudana khichdi.
But
And also Maggie. I know it's not good for health, but that's an
Maggie, yeah.
other.
But I can't have Maggie. Like Maggie, I can't consider for my go-to food.
Like even if I have to make something, like sabudana have to
Big okay.
prepare kab hoga, and there's only one option that जो 10 minutes 5 minutes में जो ready हो जाएगा, that is
Yeah. जब से मैं डाइटिशियन एक जमाने में मैं मेरी डाइटिशियन ने मेरे को सजेस्ट किया था कि
people are ready to judge you.
so she did tell me a lot about starch content in sabudana. So it was like it's very difficult
To digest.
digest. So I love it. I love it to extent में पूरा दिन खा सकता हूँ साबुदाना
हाँ हाँ.
without being bored. And इससे ये मेरे को याद आया the best साबुदाना वड़ा. खिचड़ी तो नहीं बनाते. There's this uncle in Aditya Arcade.
Oh right.
वो उनके पास अंजड़ मिसळ जो बोलते हैं ना the copper मिसळ
Misal, that's
वो in Belgaum. वो वड़ा पाव और साबुदाना वड़ा the best. Nobody can beat.
And I think so. I had asked this question, but we missed it out.
Yeah.
I said some food options. What do you have in Belgaum? There's no like beat on that.
If you wanna have Thai curry, इनको पसंद नहीं आया था. It's my favorite. UK 27 Melange restaurant on the ground floor is the best for Thai curry. What is your take on the food here? Like, what is your favorite?
I think there are many options. I think so most of them. Belgaum might may agree. Not masala pav.
Masala pav.
There's no competition.
No competition. और वो उसके अलावा कहीं
कहीं पे भी नहीं मिलता है. And I think so.
that was the first food I was introduced by these guys. It's like college खत्म हुआ कहाँ जाना है चलो मसाला पाव.
There's no other option. There was only just one option.
Yeah. Other than that, मैंने कुछ साल पहले वहाँ पे ही first gate के यहाँ पे there's this one uncle who sells idlis and dosas. Now I'm not sure if he comes frequently, but what dosa and what it
On
ready पे है. मतलब it doesn't have
yeah. Okay.
Tea Toast and Company. That we are here today. They have a great ambience. Honestly, it's good for work
Yes.
from home kind of option. They have good food. Maybe it's हम लोग पॉडकास्ट के साथ साथ ये खा पी रहे तो शायद हमें अच्छा नहीं लग रहा. But मैंने इनका hummus pita bread try किया था. That was amazing.
Yeah.
And they have some unique thing. I don't know. They call it some choli, something. So it's like basically a pav that is oven में गरम करके थोड़ा रोस्ट करके उसके अंदर ही पाव भाजी
हाँ.
उसको डिक करके पाव को ऊपर से भाजी है. They have something like that. So it's a
Okay.
unique concept.
Oh.
यहाँ पे बाहर भी हो सकता है. हम What is your other restaurant?
Other than that, I just love Cosmo Padaipur.
Yes, I agree.
I even like the competition, I must say.
White Sugar.
Yes. Wild
So White Sugar has amazing pastries.
Yeah.
Right. The cake and the pastry, nobody can beat for White Sugar.
Yeah.
I mean, but I have had many other varieties. Theograma in Bangalore.
Mm-hmm.
Very like इतने सारे options हैं ना. बाहर की चीज में, बट माँ कसम जो इनका टेस्ट है वो just कहीं पे भी नहीं। वो नॉट इवन लाइक थोड़ा नजदीक भी नहीं आते वो वाइल्ड शुगर के कॉम्बिनेशन में। सो आई गेस Mr. Ahuja, oh sorry, he is the owner of Mind Sugar. He needs to consider this very seriously.
Right.
Yes. What are the other options we have? Pure जैसे राजस्थानी फूड खाना है तो राजपुरोहित ढाबा towards कोल्हापुर, the best. कोई शावा for Indian.
Yes, that is also great. I
Why?
say about heritage also. We had
Green Gate. Oh,
it's
Heritage. Yeah, sorry. Heritage.
Green Gates is
Green Gate is the one at the
Yeah.
extreme end of some. Yes. Green Gates has
Lasagna.
great that lasagna is the
best.
It has a great Italian.
We don't know. It's I think the only option where we get that. Sure.
Other than that, are we missing out on something in Belgaum?
There are many like.
I guess there's one more.
And there's more competition where Aditya Arcades. I mean, how can we miss out?
Momo. I swear to God, the best kurkure momos that we have ever had is
Nanavad.
Nanavad.
And I think everybody knows.
Everybody knows this, but
Everybody eats that
really-
intro.
that is the best momos. And then for tandoori momos, the one opposite to Ramdev with Khawul Gali type, they have this thing.
The arcade you're talking.
Yeah, the arcade. They literally, there's one momo person, मतलब उसके अकेले के ठेले पे तुमको मोमो का मेन्यू दिखेगा. Ask him for tandoori momos. What creamy sauce and then momos, best. उसके अलावा वहाँ पे तो सब कुछ अच्छा मिलता है, but यहाँ पे if I see the best pani puri you can get is Pick and Munch
Pick and Munch, yeah.
on the RPD cross. I guess we've covered enough.
Mostly, and if we have missed out, please mention.
Yeah, mention it in the comment section below.
Yeah.
And if we miss out something, we will pin our comments and just let you guys know about it. Fine, then host, please.
Yeah,
Okay.
let us end the episode. It was lovely having you today.
Thank you so much. It feels good to be a guest sometimes.
Yeah. Well, you should have the stage, you know. So let us meet in the next episode. Thank you for your time.
Okay, actually, I need to appreciate my friend Raksha for this because she is trying this for the very first time. Usually, if she is a guest, it's just like I ask questions or something, she'll just answer to that one particular question.
I hate giving explanations.
And I am somebody who just carries away with everything. I can connect some XZ dot to some. There is this mathematics rule, na? A is equal to B, B is equals to C, then A is equals to C.
Yeah.
So it's exactly me.
Yeah, he will connect the dot from A to Z.
Because
Why is A to B?
yeah, she can only do that. So a big shout out to Daksha for being here and taking up this challenge as a host. Most of us don't understand. I mean, it might not look that difficult for you guys, but for us to get that courage to be on camera with all our insecurities, it's very difficult. So huge round of applause for my friend
Thank
Daksha. It was great having you and my audio listeners. Thank you so much for patiently hearing all these things. If you are listening this on night, then I'm sorry.
So let's wind up this food delicious episode
Here.
and enjoy what you have, how you have. Just take care of your health.
Thank you so much, guys.
Yeah.
On the next episode.
Bye.
Bye.